Hi, everyone. Greetings to all of you. Varicose veins are enlarged swollen veins that occur due to the damage or weakening of the valve, that allowing the blood back through flow and accumulate in one spot. This creates a telltale bulge and a twisted and a lumpy appearance, and the skin surface color change would be purple to dark color. Factors that contribute to varicose veins: family history, obesity, hormonal changes after menopause, and long-term use of oral contraceptives. And a very common reason, your occupation. If it requires a long stand-up for a long day, that are the reasons for having varicose. So let's see, what are the small things that you have to adjust in your lifestyle to prevent varicose veins? First thing is your posture. If your job entails you to stand or sit for long hours, take some periodic breaks, at least 5 minutes per hour. And if your job entails that you to sit for a long period, avoid cross legs. Keep your legs a little bit elevated. The soleus muscles, which locate in your calf area, act as a secondary heart in your body. If you have a habit of walking daily with 20 to 30 minutes, it's a really good exercise for a pumping action for this muscle. These muscles help you to backflow the blood and the lymphatic flow to the heart, which helps to relieve the symptoms of varicose veins. And eat more vitamin K enriched foods. Do you know vitamin K helps to prevent breakages and stretching of the small blood vessels, and it helps to strengthen the capillaries, the small blood vessels. So eat more vitamin K enriched foods: spinach, cabbages, lentils, lettuce, and also soybeans. Researchers have done so many researches regarding varicose veins and herbal remedies. They have found that butcher's broom and cayenne pepper are most effective herbals that we can use for treating varicose veins. So now you may be thinking that how we can afford these. No, these comes in food supplement. It's freely available. You can have in online shops. So have these medicines you can as your food supplements. Cayenne pepper and butcher's broom are very effective herbal medicines that you can use to treat varicose veins. Okay, then we are going for the home remedies to relieve varicose veins. First one is hot and cold compression. Take a hot water basket and a cold water basket. Put some Epsom salt with 2 or 3 tablespoons is enough. So you can put your one leg in a cold water. Then after 2 or 3 minutes, put that leg in a hot water basket. So repeat this process for 5 times. That will relieve the pain and swelling of your varicose. Okay, after the hot and cold therapy, we are going to have a gentle massage. We are going to have a massage with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural cleanser, and it has the capability to go deep down to your tissues. And olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, and it has an ability to increase the blood flow and to relieve the inflammation in that area. So you can have a gently massage with a fleurage movement and kneading movement. When you are doing a fleurage and kneading movement, make sure your hand should be downward to upward movement to support the circulation from legs to the heart. So let's going to make a paste to relieve your symptoms of varicose veins. These ingredients are freely available in your kitchen: olive oil, garlic, and clove. Garlic helps to support your circulation. If there are any stagnant, if there are any accumulation in your veins, it will relieve the pain and symptoms. And clove acts as it has a typical effect on platelet aggregating inhibitory effect. And olive oil, as we all know, it has an ability to go deep down your tissue. So these 3 combinations work nicely to relieve the signs and symptoms of varicose veins. Take 100 ml of olive oil and take 1 small size of garlic, chop it and put into the oil. Take 1 tablespoon of clove powder. Mix these 3 combinations. If you can blend it, it's nicely. And put into the glass jar. And you can have this paste. At night, apply gently on the legs of affected area and keep it for overnight. In our next home remedy, we are going to use marigold flower. A marigold flower is a beautiful flower rich in vitamin C, and it helps to promote the growth of new blood cells. And it helps to relieve the symptoms of varicose veins, relieve the inflammation on that area. So you can have this handful of marigold flower freshly, get the extract and mix with olive oil. You can use this medium for the massage purpose for effleurage and kneading movement. Use this oil as morning and daily to relieve your symptoms of varicose veins. You can take marigold flower as a tea, as a fresh juice, and add to your diet, which promote the growth of new cells to the blood circulation. So my dear ladies, if you have varicose veins after the pregnancy and after menopause, having external preparations, having internal drugs is not only a solution to solve out this problem. You have to do regular exercise. In my next video, I'm going to give you regular exercise patterns and yoga exercises, how to treat varicose veins. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.